Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to delete order history on TikTok Shop. If you want to delete or clear your TikTok Shop history, it's actually pretty straightforward once you know where to look. First, open TikTok Shop and tap on the search bar. You'll see your recent searches there. To remove individual items, just tap the X next to each search entry. For a more thorough cleanup, head to your profile, go into Settings and Privacy, then open the Activity Center. From there, select Search History. You can choose individual searches to delete or tap Select All, then Delete All. This removes up to 180 days of search activity, including everything you've looked up in TikTok Shop. While you're at it, clearing your cart can also help reset recommendations. Simply select items you no longer want, swipe right, and hit delete. After this, your shop history will be fully cleared and your feed and search suggestions will adjust accordingly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.